Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill. Class 8 English version Math Measurement Chapter Exercise 3. Question number 10. The length of a pond is 60 meters and the breadth is 40 meters. The blue colored one is the pond. If the breadth of its bank is 3 meters, here is a bank that is 3 meters wide all around the pond. Find the area of the bank. We have to find the area of the bank only. Now, how can we find the area of the bank? If we know the area of the pond including bank, we can subtract the area of the pond and then we get the area of the bank only. So, area of the bank equals to area of the pond including bank deduct area of the pond. So if we deduct or subtract the area of the pond from area of the pond including bank, means if we subtract the area of the blue rectangular from the red rectangular, we get the area of the bank. So let us find the area of the pond including bank. Length of the pond including bank. So length of the pond including bank. How we can find out? We add 3 meter on both sides. We add 3 meter to what? To the length of the pond. This is the length of the pond. It is 60 meter. Add 3 meter on the right, add 3 meter on the left. So that is the length of the pond including bank. Okay. So it is 60 plus 3 meter equals to 66 meter. Now, what about the breadth? Breadth of the pond including bank equals to, again similarly we add 3 meter to 40, 3 meter to 40 for both sides. 40 plus 3 meter equals to 46 meter. So we got the length and breadth of the pond including bank. So can we find the area of the pond including bank? Yes. Therefore, area of the pond including bank equals to 66 into 46 square meter. Square meter equals to 0.36 square meter. We can easily find the area of the pond. That means the area of the blue rectangular. The blue rectangular, it is easy. 60 into 40, we know that equals to 60 into 40 square meter equals to 2400 square meter. Now we know we have to deduct area of the pond including bank, and we have to deduct the area of the pond from area of the pond including bank. Therefore, area of the bank equals to 3036 square meter minus 2400 square meter equals to 636 square meter. So the answer is 636 square meter. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz.